You know how I love my electric stuff. Holds two 60-volt batteries, or you can plug it into the wall, the garden hose, or it'll siphon from a bucket, so it's portable. And this little thing works good, man. Also got the, let me see, the leaf blower and the chainsaw and something else. And I really like this thing, and look how good it's working, man. It only turns on when you pull the trigger, which is especially good when you're using the battery. Because then you're not wasting energy. I've never done this to my sidewalk since I bought the place in '04. Yeah, I really like this thing. It has different nozzles. Like I said, you can use the batteries or plug it in